Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the red key in Anime Vanguards. To begin, you have two primary methods for acquiring this crucial item. You can try your luck by winning matches in the Ant Island raid, where there's a 10% chance for the red key to drop. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct approach, you can visit the dungeon shop and purchase the red key for 2,000 Monarch tokens. Choose the method that best suits your current resources and playstyle. Once you have the red key, you'll embark on a challenging questline. The first major step requires you to defeat the Ant King boss 50 times within the Ant Island dungeon. This isn't just about raw power, you'll need strategy. During these battles, the Ant Queen mechanic will open tunnels. Remember to run over any open tunnels to close them, preventing the Ant King from gaining additional power and making the fight more manageable. Continuing your quest, you'll face two significant unit-related requirements. First, you must sacrifice 30 units of mythic rarity or higher. Be aware that already evolved units do not count towards this total. Next, you need to summon Sung Jinwoo shadows 5,000 times. The fastest way to achieve this is by repeatedly using his Preset abilities in dungeons. Finally, you will need to sacrifice an evolved Igris unit to progress further in this demanding journey. After completing all the previous steps, you'll finally obtain the Elixir of Life. Take this legendary item, along with 50,000 gold, to the upgrade area to evolve your Sung Jinwoo unit into its powerful Vanguard form. This entire questline is a significant grind, but the reward is one of the best units in the game, making all your efforts worthwhile. For other great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for the link and more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.